WEM No Code Platform allows you to develop highly secure business applications extremely fast. In this video, we will cover how to develop a basic CRM application, how to integrate it to an external web service, and how to show the information in a simple bar chart. Step 1 is to create the data model. We start with creating a database list for our customers and adding a few fields to it. WEM allows you to create complex relational data models, but for this quick impression, we will keep it simple. In step 2, we create the application logic. WEM has a unique way to set up logic without using any coding. This is achieved by using flowcharts. WEM flowcharts make developing application logic very fast and simple. These flowcharts are very good at providing an application overview. We use the blue-colored interaction node to create a page or screen. After creating the customer overview screen, we add exits for the actions the user might use. For example, add, edit, and delete a customer. Now, to implement the logic for adding a customer, we start by adding a row to our customer database list. Then, we add another screen so that we can enter the details for the new customer. We make it a pop-up window. This screen needs 2 exits: save and cancel. To save the new customer we added inside our database, we use a Save Database Changes node. For canceling any added customer information, we add a Discard Database Changes node and connect the cancel exit to this node. This will undo the previous actions. Editing a customer is easy. Simply connect the edit exit to the new screen. Deleting a customer requires deleting a row from the customer database list. Therefore, we connect the delete exit from customer overview page to a delete node. Then save this change. This completes our application logic. Step 3 is to design the screens. Inside the page, a list of customers is created by drag and drop. As simple as that. Next, we need to build the controls to add, edit, and delete a customer. This finishes our customer overview screen. Last part is the customer entry form. We create a form by simply dragging the customer fields in the canvas. Remember the save and cancel exits we created earlier? These exits can be added to the screen as a save and cancel buttons by drag and drop button option. After saving our screen design, it is time to test our application. Let's go! We can now preview the application and see how it works. We run the application preview by clicking on the preview option. WEM is a winner when it comes to integration. Not convinced? Let me show you how we can integrate our application with an information coming from another service. We start with adding a link that provides the SOAP web service definition from a mock ERP system that we created. Once the web service link is configured, WEM automatically generates the interface and the associated fields inside the web service. Next, let's create a new flowchart to access the web service and retrieve the stock data from the web service we configured just now. We drag and drop the Get Stock Web Service node on the canvas to retrieve the stock information from the ERP. Just like we created a screen to show customer overview, we add a screen to show the retrieved stock information. We design the screen by simply dragging the stock item data list on the canvas and create a tabular overview. Let's test it out and see the results. And just like that, we have successfully retrieved the stock information from our ERP system. WEM allows you to create exactly the look and feel you want. In the last part of this video, we'll give you a quick impression on how to use the bar chart widget to create a graphical presentation of the information we retrieved from the web service. We simply drag and drop a bar chart widget on the screen canvas, and configure it by connecting it to the elements from the web service we configured earlier. Oh, by the way, when we switch back to our running application, you might notice that the application preview got updated in real time, showing the new bar chart we added now. By hovering over the bar chart, we also see tooltips showing the values we saw earlier inside the table. Now, it is time to try it out for yourself. Create an account in WEM.io and start building your first WEM No Code app. Follow the free training to become a real WEM developer. For any questions, email us at info@webit21.com.